Ooh, look at her, ready for the water.
Oh, I forgot there was a fucking web there.
Look at that guy. And it's raining out. Messed up the whole day to go to the pool. Sucks. We rushed home to go to the pool. It was closed. Because of this, we all set.
Yeah. Ugly boys.
Mom got night used to this tapa de culo.
Apke culo.
No, I don't. You do.
Apke culo.
Going out for some. Where you going?
Apke
Where you
culo.
going?
Ice cream.
Triste, tápate culo.
Apke
Where you going?
culo.
Tápate culo.
Ice cream.
You getting ice cream for real?
Yeah.
Go
Yeah.
for some ice cream.
Yeah,
Where you
bro,
going?
yeah.
I'm going to Carvel's because it's closer.
Oh. That's not Carvel's there.
Yes, it is.
Carvel is.
Do you know what movie I'm talking
No,
about?
I don't know what movie you're talking about.
Let's see if it shows up here, like the list.
You see him?
Where you going? What are you doing?
Daddy.
Come here. I'm boss. I mean, cause the corner is a, I think it's a drive. You could drive through it.
That's moving.
What's moving? It's alright. Put it there. What is that?
Ma, there's a cat. Daddy.
He's gonna spray, Daddy. Get away.
No, he left.
So good.
Time to lay down on our Saturday. This is what we do a Saturday. They're still eating her ice cream. And look at this guy with his bottle.
You see nothing, guys.
Good one, Ira. Good one.
You're not gonna drink it? What do you got there?
Nothing.
Nothing? Where's your cheche?
I got a popsicle, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
No.
Ooh. You ready for the water?